want to fight him, I'm gonna win.
Why would you want to fight this?
Because I'm strong, and he's weak.
No, he is not weak.
He's an orange cat. It's a skill issue from birth. Let me fight him.
Hello?
Let me fight him.
Okay, go. Okay, fight my cat. Go.
Whenever.
You fool! You dare set sail in my territory!
It's easy.
No, I'm back.
There's a cute
Put him
cat on the screen.
Where are you?
Freak out! That's it.
Stay down.
I have to use my superpower. Transform! Fishing! Frick you! My ultimate maneuver. Stand down! Surrender. If you come here, gay. Don't look at the camera like that.